Curse of Shirley. Is Shirley the Medium making a return?
Oh, Eustace, aren't you excited about your birthday party?
Oh, Eustace's birthday's coming up. Oh.
Ain't gonna be a party.
Yes?
Any small change to help a poor soul.
Yep.
Oh,
Shirley the Medium's back.
oh, here's a little something, dear. I just baked it this morning.
Oh, wow.
And that would go lovely with a cup of tea.
Just how big is Muriel's bag? Oh. Ooh.
What about the bald one?
Yes, Eustace,
He's...
you must have something to give.
Oh, no. I should have expected that. And it looks like he's gonna be the one getting cursed. Own.
A shiny head, a curse. Long as your soul lives in your purse, your sky shall be dark as your heart.
Wow.
Gobbledygook.
Eustace,
Ain't no
what
such
have you
thing as
done?
curses. And there ain't no such thing as parties neither.
It's... Oh my gosh, this is gonna be funny.
Eustace, the curse.
There ain't no curse.
Why,
Look
you
above your head, you
stayed
moron.
home.
I ain't helping with no party, cause there ain't gonna be no party.
I am so surprised that he's not fazed by it. Oh.
We moving your cloud? You could move over a seat so we could see the screen. Make me.
Oh boy. Yep. That figures.
How's that, Courage?
Oh boy. Is that his... That's his mom, isn't it?
Excuse me, sir, but would you please help me across the street?
You got legs, don't you? Help yourself, man.
My... Yeah, I figured he'd say that.
Mister, please, could you please send this to my fiancée? But I'll have to miss our wedding. Please just buy a stamp for it.
I ain't buying any stamps.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Eustace,
Eh?
the bed's getting soggy. If you
Yeah,
can't
literally.
deal with this curse, you're going to have to sleep on the roof.
No way, no how.
Oh, please. Oh!
My glasses.
So that's what his eyes look like without his glasses. Oh no. No. Oh gee.
My roof. I don't know who you are. Eh?
Oh my gosh. Oh. Is he hallucinating too?
Something wrong with the reception.
Oh my gosh.
Eustace, get down here this instant.
What? Oh my god, he's growing mushrooms on his body.
What are you doing up there? Your guests are waiting.
Oh my gosh.
Want a piece of me?
Oh no. Yeesh.
Now see what you went and done, Eustace? Here, stand on this coaster.
Oh my gosh.
You're not Muriel. 1, 2, 3, I win.
Huh? Yeah, you gotta go see Shirley about this, Courage.
There is nothing I can do. The farmer has to remove the curse by finding generosity in his heart. For a few pieces of silver, I could sell you this mirror. All you have to do is hold it up to the stupid one.
Here we go. Oh no. Oh gosh.
What's this? Who's that?
It's so hot. My head is burning.
Where's your hat?
I don't have one.
Oh. Ah. Oh.
Oh, courage! You did the impossible. You got Eustace to give of himself.
Shoot!
Oh. No. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's getting a cold.
What you doing with my hat, dog?
Oh no! It's back!
There ain't
Dip-
no such thing as a...
Just give the hat back to Courage. A lot funnier than I thought. Courage in the Big Stinkin City. Wow.
Ain't nothing on. Nothing on.
I've won the sitar contest.
The what?
My sitar on stage at Radio City Music Hall.
There ain't nothing to watch.
Boys, we're going to New York City.
Oh, they're going New York City. Well, I guess that makes sense since New York City is the biggest city in the US.
This ain't no place for me. Hey!
Watch where you're going, you fool!
Watch where you're going, you fool!
You see, Eustace, you're fitting in already.
Oh no.
The show don't go on for hours, but I can get you in real quick like.
Aren't you glad I won the contest?
Who cares?
Then you can come in the special artist entrance.
I
Oh,
ain't
no.
going through no door. I don't know what's on the other side.
I got hot dogs.
Works for me.
Oh, of course. Oh, jeez, this is gonna be creepy.
I love show business. Where are you from?
Bushwick. You can call that Bushwick, but not me. Me, you call Schwick. Just Schwick. This over here is the rehearsal room.
Oh, jeez.
Warm welcome.
Oh, no.
Where's the hot dogs?
So this here's the rehearsal room. You can rehearse. Just rehearse.
They're gonna get tortured to death.
Hey, a TV. You got a remote?
2,000 channels. Go ahead, knock yourself out.
Make that hot dog a footlong.
I'd better get to practicing for the big show tonight.
Oh, no.
I got an errand that needs some running. Go to that address. There'll be a package waiting there. You bring that package back to me by curtain time, or it's curtains for the sitar lady.
Oh, no.
You see that door? You want to know what's behind that door? You don't want to know what's behind that door. You see the...
I don't want to know.
You want to know what made these bones? You don't want to know what made these bones. And no
Oh,
cops.
jeez. No cops. Oh, no. Where is he really supposed to go? So, is that the weremole? Oh, this must be the location. Oh my gosh.
I just know something bad is going to happen.
What the? Oh. Huh? Oh my gosh! That's enough to scare a kid in its sleep. In his or her sleep. Oh no.
Things I do for love.
Oh jeez. Evil package still at large? Oh no. Oh gosh. Oh no. Oh boy. Well, what do you know? It worked. Oh, what?
Reefs!
Boxes.
Reefs!
Oh. What the?
When you're right, you're right. Yours are longer.
Told you so.
5 minutes to showtime.
Your
Oh,
son
no.
better be back here soon with my coffee.
Oh no! What the?
You can always trust my courage to get the job done.
Oh jeez! What the?
You bet my squeegee. Now it's curtains for the sitar lady.
Oh, here we go. Oh no. Oh, what? Oh. Well,
Looks like we finally got you, Bushwick.
It's just Schwick!
well, looks like he's out of business after tonight. What the?
2,000 channels and still nothing to watch.
Oh my gosh! What the? That thing uses his skin. Oh wow, that was crazy.